Hello, everyone. In this video I want to introduce my game called PacMan.exe and give you some more details about it.
PacMan.exe is a game based on the real arcade game Pac-Man, but transferred to 3D and with the addition of a horror element. In it you have to collect points that are on the whole map and beware of ghosts. The inspiration for this was the idea of creating a game similar to some well-known old one, but slightly reworked for a modern style with the addition of more action.
Now let's talk more about the implementation of the project. This game is made in Python using the Pygame library. Main imaging technology is ray casting. It allows us to build a 3D image without much load on the system, which becomes a significant problem considering using Python.
The game map is represented as a two-dimensional array where wall is 1 and 0 is empty space. This approach makes it much easier to find the intersection of rays with walls, because the map is represented as a checkered grid. Now let's take a look at the code. Here we have two Python files. File const includes all the constants which are used in the game, such as width and height of the screen, FPS, number of rays and other. You can change them whenever you want. File main contains all game source code. During the implementation, I used object-oriented programming. Now let's look at the gameplay itself. Here is the main menu. We have two buttons, a small instruction for control and the game itself. My game has a leveling system. With each level, the game will become more and more difficult. Now let's start a game. So we lost. It was pretty scary. I didn't expect this myself. We see the loss screen, which displays the total score and the level reached, and if we win, we see the win screen, which displays the time for which the level was completed and the total points at the time of passing this level. During the gameplay, you can always pause it. Here we see a continue button and a return to menu button. There is also a mouse sensitivity dial. The pursuit of the player by NPC is implemented using the BFS algorithm. It allows us to find the shortest route to the player, which the ghost follow. As you can see, the game has a truly intimidating appearance. At least I tried to make it so. It uses 4 types of fonts. All colors have been carefully chosen to match the game's original color palette, yet with a touch of horror. All images were handmade by me in the Figma app. Particular attention should be paid to the ghost sprites that I drew. That's all. I hope you enjoy my game, because I tried very hard on it. Thank you for your attention.